What if I told you that trying to save $50 a month on car insurance could end up costing you thousands of dollars? That's exactly what happens to many American drivers every year. The big question is, should you choose minimum coverage or full coverage? Most people focus on the monthly price, but the real cost comes after an accident. And what I'm about to show you may completely change how you think about car insurance. Let's start with minimum coverage. This is the minimum amount of insurance required by your state. It's usually the cheapest option. That's why millions of Americans searching for cheap car insurance, low-cost auto insurance, affordable car insurance often choose minimum coverage. But here's the catch. Minimum coverage usually protects other people, not your own vehicle. So if your car is damaged in an accident, you could end up paying the repair bill yourself. And this is where many drivers get a very expensive surprise. Now let's talk about full coverage. Full coverage generally includes additional protection for your own vehicle, depending on your policy. Yes, it costs more every month. But if your car is stolen, damaged, or involved in a serious accident, the difference can be huge. Imagine this. You save $600 a year by choosing minimum coverage. Then get into an accident that causes several $1,000s in damage. Suddenly, those savings don't look so impressive. And that's why millions of Americans search for full coverage car insurance and best car insurance coverage before choosing a policy. Here's the mistake many drivers make. They compare insurance by price only. They ask, which policy is cheaper, instead of asking, which policy protects me from the biggest financial risk? For an older vehicle with low value, minimum coverage may make sense. For a newer vehicle, financed car, or expensive vehicle, full coverage is often worth considering. The answer depends on your situation, not just the monthly premium. So, which one is the costly mistake? The mistake isn't necessarily choosing minimum coverage. The mistake is choosing coverage without understanding the risk. Because the cheapest policy today could become the most expensive decision tomorrow. Before buying insurance, compare both the monthly cost and the potential out-of-pocket expenses after an accident. And here's a question for you. Do you currently have full coverage or minimum coverage? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn how Americans legally lower their car insurance costs without sacrificing protection, check out my next video.